Model, 68-plate Transit Custom 320 Limited Factory Fitted Crew Cab Body, Orange, Panel Van Mileage, 89,017 MOT, the 18th of December 2023 Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs okay, timing belt has slipped, suspected 1 to 2 teeth out of timing. Check engine light on the dash. Fault code confirms timing has jumped. Also vacuum pump is not working, which is very common when the wet belt has perished. This should rebelt up and be fine. Also water pump is leaking. Should be a nice cheap repair. Grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, very well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £17,295. Click the link in the description for pictures and more